Namaskaram and happy Janmashtami. May it be the most blessed one. I like to recall and remind some of our senior members who have heard a conversation between Lord Krishna and Pujya Babuji Maharaj on one fine Janmashtami morning. I do not know which year it was. But Lord Krishna was requesting Babuji कि जो भी आज रात को जुलना जुलाएगा उनको आप ट्रांसमिशन से भर दो। आप तो स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड के मालिक हो, तो बाबूजी ने बताया आपको कैसे मना कर सके। गुरु जी की कृपा से, लाला जी की मेहरबानी से ये काम हो जाएगा। लेकिन एक शर्त है, आप मटेरियल वर्ल्ड के भी दाता है, इंचार्ज है, तो all our sincere sisters and brothers should be blessed with food, shelter and clothing. So Lord Krishna says, Tathastu, may it be done. And when we hear these things, it makes us so happy. But remember, there are conditions here. Condition is very simple. So, that this is promised to all the sincere sisters and brothers who are on the path of spirituality. It also means those who are not following the dharma, not following the spiritual path, उनसे इनकी जिम्मेदारी अलग हो जाती है. They don't take the responsibility. So please bear this in mind. It's a very serious and very promising conversation between two giants. Now, what do? We, the members of Sri Ramchandra Mission, we have multiple goals in life. Individually, as a member, we are all here seeking spiritual fulfillment, advancement in the spiritual world, trying to balance our bhautik and adhyatmik jivan, spiritual and material life. Balancing, to me, I have always understood it as whatsoever we do in material life, let there be fragrance of spirituality. How do we do that? Whatever we do it in the remembrance, and not just the ordinary memory, recall or remembrance, but being soaked, being absorbed in love, and then do the work. There are two approaches. One is where you get absorbed in the great master, be meditative, and lovingly do the work. Or do the work as an offering. And there is still one more way, where we don't have the karta bhav, but making a sankalpa that I am doing or whatsoever I am doing is being ordered by the great master. In such scenarios, there will not be politics. With such scenarios, with such approach to our life, you will not spoil anyone's life. You will always remain forgiving. If any sister makes a mistake, or if your mother makes a mistake at home, do you broadcast it on the street or in the city? Do you do that? That my mother did such a stupid thing, or my wife did such and such a thing, or my husband did such and such a thing. Then why are you trying to spoil the image of your dear sister or a brother in an organization? It only creates filthy environment, not conducive to your own personal growth as well as the growth of the mission. So beware. At an individual goal to be achieved, it requires much more than just closing your eyes. Whole life has to be dedicated. It's a very serious business. Every breath is to be dedicated. Parallelly with the fulfillment of the individual goal, we also have a greater goal, fulfilling which we fulfill our Guru Dakshina, and that is to spread the message of the Master to every heart on the globe. How to do that? We have various programs. Be volunteer to that. Contribute to all these connect programs that we have. You cannot connect programs, or you cannot conduct all these connect programs just by speech or just by giving sittings. They are part of it. But by being a real example, live example to the rest of the world, because we all represent the Master. We are all representatives of the Master. That includes Lord Krishna as well, because he is one of the hierarchy. As they say, the buck stops there. He is the ultimate. So on this very auspicious day of Sri Lord Krishna's birthday, we should promise in the heart of our hearts very sincerely that yes, we will do our best in fulfilling a dream, a spiritual dream of our hierarchy, to make this planet thriving with spirituality. That will require a lot of sacrifice from us, tan, man or dhan. Thank you.